Lenovo ThinkPad E16 Gen3 laptop, Ultra 7 model. This is a laptop look like 16-inch screen. Aluminum on top, aluminum on bottom. Comes with a Copilot key. Windows 11 Professional business laptop. Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to install the Windows on Lenovo ThinkPad E16 Gen3 model. Lenovo ThinkPad E16 Gen3. This is a full metal body, top and bottom. This is the top look. You can see the logo E16 here and ThinkPad on the top. So Gen 3 series, the new series, 16-inch screen. You can see the ports, connectivity ports, HDMI, Type-C power and Thunderbolt, USB, headphone jack. And let's see other side. Ethernet port and one more USB Kensington lock system. And this is the speaker and down, two speakers. Let's open the unit. Here you can see comes with the Intel Ultra 7 processor, 16 GB RAM, 512 GB SSD, Harman Kardon speaker, touchpad, and this is a full size keyboard with a number pad. And you can see the backlight keyboard. This is a backlight keyboard, fingerprint as well as power button, and small indicator is there. So this is a look of the keyboard, and this is a camera with a privacy shutter, E16, 180 degrees you can use. So let's start installing the Windows in this machine. This model comes with a DOS without operating system. So going to install the operating system now. This is the power adapter, 65 watts, 20 voltage, 3.25 ampere, Type-C. So this is a connection for power. Going to connected. And a media USB. So media flash connecting. So let's power on. Power on. So let's start the unit. So booting. The unit is booting now. So the Windows Media came. So this model does not have any mousepad drivers, so we can use this one. The keyboard's mouse we can use to set up. So you can select next and install now. So this touchpad doesn't work, so we need to use the mouse scroll, or you can use external mouse. So for convenient I'm using the USB external mouse connected. So I'm choosing now here Windows 11 Professional. I have Windows 11 Professional key, the product key. Next, accept the terms and condition license. Next, I'm choosing the second option. So this is the storage, 512 GB M.2 NVMe. Next. So Windows is installing now. So getting files ready for installation. So this is a product key, Windows Professional 11 Pro. So please like the video and subscribe to channel. 95% done, 100% done. So these two steps I will install very fast. So media you need to download from Microsoft site. So very easy to install. It's going to ready. The keyboard, you can see here, Copilot key. Very nice keyboard. And smooth touchpad. For business use, programming and students, you can use this laptop. Latest model, Ultra 7 Generation 3 2025 model, this one. System going to restart several times. So this installation, it will take 20 to 25 minutes. So after installing, you need to connect the Wi-Fi or internet and update the drivers. System is restarting now. It's saying just a moment. So you need to do Windows setup. I'm going to set up now. Select the right. This step you need to set up the Windows. You need to select the country of region. So I'm going to select the country. After selecting the country, you need to select the keyboard language. I'm selecting the United States International and S, and it will ask you need to have another keyboard language. So I'm not adding anything. So skip. So it will ask you to connect the internet. I'm not going to connect. Next. So it will ask you the name. I'm going to give the name, user or something. I just give admin. And next, it will ask you the password. I'm not going to give any password. Next. So this one will take 2-3 minutes. It will restart and then going to set it up. You need to wait few minutes. So do not turn off the unit. It's going to set up one by one. Background is running. Almost there. Yeah, it's ready to use. But you need to install the drivers of the mousepad and internet, what called speaker. So many things you need to do. So let's see the device. In Windows 11, to check the device manager, here you need to right click, and here you can see the drivers you need to install. So here you need to right click and then update the drivers. So there is no internet connection now. I'm going to use the LAN connection to update. Here you can see the LAN connection. I'm just giving it for internet. So internet is connected. So I'm going to browse a computer for the drivers. So there is no driver in the flash. So I'm just selecting the automatic driver search because I connect the internet. So search update. It's going to be searching in Windows updates. So one by one all the drivers will come in updates. So depend on the internet, the drivers will download. It might take 30 minutes or 40 minutes to complete this process. So I'm going to remove the flash drive, inject. So remove it. So it's searching the drivers. So here you can see update is going on. So some is already installed. Downloading. Click install, try. So this all the drivers downloading automatic. Here you can see the drivers is downloading. In the meantime, let's activate the key, the Windows key. So here you need to enter the product key to activate the Windows. Key is here. Here you can see the key is activated. Here you can see Windows is activated. So let's wait for the full drivers update. Here you can see pending installing and some drivers completed. So this process will take 30 to 40 minutes. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel. So you can see now touchpad is working. So touchpad drivers installed, and sound also, you can see sound drivers came, and still some downloading is there. So one by one all things are downloading. Yeah, have a look friends. So Wi-Fi drivers came here, and then all the drivers updated. So now ready to use this unit. So all Windows drivers and setup done. So thank you for watching. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel.